$30 right pointing arrow $500 per month.
What if I told you that Maria turned just $30 per month into hundreds of dollars? No fancy plans, no big investments, just skill, passion, and a little creativity. Today you'll see exactly how she got started, grew her business, and made real money, all from her own kitchen. How Maria got started. Maria loved to cook and wanted to make some extra money at home. With just $30, she bought flour, sugar, butter, and a few ingredients for her first batch of cookies and muffins. She started selling to friends, neighbors, and members of the local community. She didn't have a website or online store yet. She relied on word of mouth and her delicious products. Initial growth. In the first week, Maria was making about $10 to $15 from her small sales. She reinvested all the money she made to buy more ingredients and try new recipes. By the second month, she was making $70 to $100 a week. Word spread quickly because her pastries were delicious and customers were happy to recommend her to others. Business expansion. After 6 months, Maria was making $400 to $500 a month. She started taking online orders through social media and even experimented with custom cakes for birthdays and events. She reinvested every week and gradually expanded her business, adding new items to her menu. Lessons learned. The key lesson from Maria's story is simple: you don't need a huge investment to start something meaningful. Start small, focus on quality, listen to customer feedback, and reinvest your earnings. Even a small amount can grow into something significant when combined with consistency and creativity. Real-world results and key takeaways. Ultimately, Maria started with just $30. Turned her passion for cooking into a real income. Created a home-based business that could grow. This story proves that starting small and consistently can create meaningful, tangible results. You don't need a big investment or a fancy plan. Start with what you have, use your skills, and reinvest every dollar you earn. Who knows? Your little home project could be the next success story. Start today and watch it grow.
I hope you enjoyed today's story. If you liked the video, be sure to like and leave us a comment. Also, help us bring you more stories by subscribing to the channel. As always, thank you for your support.